welcome to my channel, and here we are going to solve these problems. And we are told here that the details of a crank mechanism are given below. Point F and G are pin jointed. Construct the locus of point P for one complete revolution of the crank EF. EF equals 20 millimeters, EP equals 50 millimeters, FG is 90 millimeters, and GH is 70 millimeters. So that is the question. So what we need to do first is to draw a vertical and horizontal center lines. So we as you can see here in the diagram, so let me put it here so that we can see it. So we have a vertical and horizontal center line. So lines. So I'm going to come up here. So I'm making use of this space. So we draw a vertical. So a vertical center line. Then we are going to draw a horizontal center line here. So we have this horizontal center line. Okay, so this is the horizontal center line. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we take our compass so that we can draw the circle. Okay, so the radius of the circle, that is EF, as we are told that it is 20 millimeters. So we have to take a measurement of 20 millimeters on the ruler. So on this ruler I will take 20 millimeters. So this is 20 millimeters here. Okay, so then I'm going to draw a circle. So we draw a circle of radius 20 millimeters here. Alright, so this is the circle. So then we are going to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. Okay, so we turn it, and we also draw the line from here to here, and then so we come here and we draw from here to here. Alright, so we have divided the circle into 12 equal parts, as you can see there. So the next thing that we are going to do is that, so let's label the point as we have here. So point F is here. So this is where we have point F. So here we put F at this point, and this is actually point 0. So we have 1. So here we have 2. This is 3. So here is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is point 8. So this is 9. This is 10. And this is 11. So as we have there. Now, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we need to locate this point. We need to locate this point. So before we can do that, alright, so I need to locate this point G, and the distance of point H, the distance of point H from the center here is 60 millimeters. So which means we need to extend this line. So I need to extend this line a little bit. Okay, so here I draw this. Alright, so then I will take 60 millimeters along this line. So this is 60 millimeters here. Okay, so along this line I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So I will draw a horizontal line. So draw a horizontal line from here. So as we are given here in the question that the distance of the center line, or vertical center line, from H is 90. So I'm going to take a measurement of 90 millimeters on this line. So 90 millimeters. So looking at this, so this is 90 millimeters. So here we have 90 millimeters. So this point is point H. So here we have H at this point. So this is point H. Okay, so take note of that. So the next thing that we are going to do is to locate point G, and as we are told that G is distance of G from here to here is 70. So we have GH 70 millimeters. Now, so there's something I need to do for me to get that point G. So you see what I'm going to do right now. So we take a measurement of 70 millimeters on the ruler, 70 millimeters on the ruler. So from here, so this is 70 millimeters. Okay, so this is 70 millimeters. Then I put the point of my compass here at H, and then I will draw an arc like this. So we need to draw an arc. So we draw an arc, so like this. Okay, so we have this arc. So as we have there, so the next thing that we are going to do is that, so we take a measurement, as we have that FG is 90. So we take a measurement of 90 millimeters. So this is 90 millimeters here. So here is 90 millimeters. Okay, so we put it at F here, and we make an arc here on this line. So this point here is point G. So this is point G here. So here we have G at this point. So then we have to join FG together. So we join FG together with this thick line. Okay, so actually, so this line, this is line EF. So this is EF, that is the radius of the circle is EF. So I'm going to make this line a thick line. Okay, because that's the line that we are given. So we have like that, and then we also have that EF is, EP. So EP is 50. EP is 50. From here to here we have taken 20 already. So what I need to do is that from this point F here, I will take a measurement of 30 millimeters. So EP is 50. So EP is 50. So we already have 20 as the radius of the circle. Then we take 30 millimeters away from point F. So this will give us point P. So this point here is point P. So here we have what? We have P at this point. So the next thing that we are going to do is that with that 90 that we have taken, so we have 90 in our hand like this. So we put the midpoint here at 1, and we make an arc here. So then I'm going to keep that 90 there. So I'm going to draw a line from here to here. Alright, then I will take 20 millimeters again. So this is 30 millimeters. So this is 30 millimeters. This is the next point. So then we take our compass again, put the midpoint at point 2. You have to do it one by one. So you make an arc on this line. So we have to draw from 2. So from 2, so we draw this line from here to here. And then, so from point 2, we take 30 millimeters on the line. So this is 30 millimeters here. Okay, so this is 30 millimeters. So we take note of that. So next is we put the big point at 3, and we make an arc here. So if I draw a line from 3 to this point, so from 3 again, I will take 30 millimeters. So this is, I will take 30 millimeters. So this is 30 millimeters here. Okay. Alright, so we have that. So next is again, so from 4, so we make an arc here with that 90. So then we draw a straight line from 4 to meet the line on the arc, and from 4 we take 30 millimeters. So this is 30 millimeters here. So this is 30 millimeters. So we have this point. Okay. So next is 5. So from 5, so we make an arc on the line. Then from 5, so we draw a line. Okay, so we draw a line. So we have this. Then we take 30 millimeters from 5. So to this point, so this is 30 millimeters. So I'm going to pause the video and I will do the rest. Then I will come back and show you the next thing that we have to do. Alright, so these are the points that we obtained, as you can see on the screen. So we now need to join them together with the use of a French curve. So I'm going to do that right now. So just look at how I'm going to do it. So we join, so you can join, so these 4 points together like this. Okay, so then we join this point together. So I can join this point together. Okay. Alright, so we join them together like that. So then coming here, so these 2 points, so these 3 points, I can join them together like this. Okay. Then alright, so then I can join these 2 points so together like this. Alright, so this is the locus of the point that we are asked to produce. As simple as I've done it here, all you need to do is to practice. Thank you and God bless you.